Oliver Tambo! Oliver Tambo!
Hello, my name is Eugene Joseph. I'm a volunteer here at Bread of Life. Our goal as Bread of Life is to reach out to the youth by going on outreaches, giving a short testimony of ourselves and sharing about community education and drug awareness. My passion here at Bread of Life is to work with the new people that come in to lead and guide, to motivate and encourage.
So the last thing I would like to focus on is here at Bread of Life Ministries, we do not discriminate at all against race, religion, language barriers, anything. We really try and break all barriers so that we can reach out to all communities and all people at all ages speaking any language. Ek was Sesotho, ngiyakhuluma Zulu, ngiyakspreek English, and ngiyafala Portuguese. We really make a conservative effort to reach out to as many people as we can. So yes, thank you guys.